Hi you guys, so today I'm going to show you how I make this simple little ring light. I got this ring from Dollar Tree along with the aluminum foil. I already had these LED rope lights, but you could get them from Amazon about $5 or $6. So I'm just folding up a piece of aluminum foil so that I could cut it and wrap it around the ring. That's going to help with the reflectiveness. Oh, and the aluminum foil actually came from Walmart, but it was under $1, so same difference. So I'm just applying that on. It doesn't have to be super neat, unless you just prefer everything to look super neat. So I'm just making sure I cover up the whole ring. And now I'm going to start with my strip lights. You want to put the part that you plug like towards the edge. So that way when the cord hangs down, it's not messing up your lights. And I'm just going to go around the ring. Now, a lot of people use those like little tube lights from Walmart, and that's a lot easier than these strip lights because it's kind of hard to go in a circle with these, like a perfect circle, but it gets the job done. It's not really pleasing to the eye, but like I said, it gets the job done. It works great as a ring light. Just make sure you cut on the right connections when you're done with these strip lights so you don't mess up your lights. But I have enough strip lights to probably make 2 more of these. Now this is a paper towel holder that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna attempt to attach that on, but later on it didn't work out for me, so I just attached it to the tripod that I have where I set my camera on. And as you can see, I was having a hard time trying to put this on the stand. But it, like I said, it worked out for a while, but I just didn't like it. I prefer if you attach it to your tripod. That works a lot better. So I'm just using a zip tie and I'm going in between the foil. Make sure that you're on like a metal part of the ring. And if you pull it too tight, you will tear the foil, as you can see I did there. So make sure you have it on a metal part on the ring. So here I'm just trying a different method. The reason why I didn't like the paper towel holder is because the ring would slide and shift randomly, and that's kind of frustrating when you're filming a video. So I just prefer to attach it to my tripod. I will do an updated filming area so you guys can see exactly how it's set up for the new setup. So that's what the stand looks like this. And again, you probably could have attached zip ties at the top to make it more secure, but I liked it better on my tripod. This video is pretty much really self-explanatory. This probably took me maybe 10 to 15 minutes to make. Like, it's really not that hard. And this is what the light looks like. Very, very bright light. Very bright light. Thanks for watching.